What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Education. So the stock market is dumping like crazy, but one thing you have to realize is if you go back and look at the previous stock market performance, look at the NASDAQ, look at the S&P, look at the Dow Jones Industrial, and something you're gonna notice is if you zoom out on the daily or on the weekly chart and you look at the historical performance, you're gonna see that no matter what time in history that you bought a stock, if you held it over the course of 3 to 5 years or more, you would have been on top. You would have won. And right now, because of the stock market is dropping, and this has happened before, obviously, this kind of scary drop where you can panic and it gets really scary because something you bought at $10 now is $5, or maybe it's $3, right? So seeing that 50% to 70% loss in investment can be a very scary situation, especially for new investors. But you have to look at the long term. You have to look at what's going to happen 3 to 5 plus years from now. And if you look at the S&P, historically, it's been up and it's been green. So don't let the short-term volatility scare you and lose on all these investments you have so far. So I know that I've been pushing Palantir at 12, at 13, at 14, at $15. Now it's sitting at 7, and it's such a scary situation to be in, and it can be so easy to just sell off. But you got to think about the long term. You got to think about the long term game. And this is true. I mean, if you go back and look at Tesla, you would have been buying Tesla at $200, at $90. There was such a high volatility. If you didn't buy Tesla and held it and bought it when it went down, and you just sold it every time it went down, you would have lost a lot of money and would have lost out on a lot of potential and a lot of gains. So when it comes to investing, don't let this volatility in the market scare you. This is part of a healthy market. When it goes down, it's gonna go up. And as long as you're invested in the right company, right investment, you're gonna do fine. So don't be afraid of the stock market going down. If anything, buy into the companies that you think are valuable and are the ones that you really believe in. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day.